While our butter is melting in the oven, I'm gonna grab a large bowl and a spoon. And I have here 2 boxes of my Red Lobster Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. And we're gonna add both of these right into our bowl super quick because we are making something extra delicious. Oh, okay, I thought I opened that all the way, apparently not. But we gotta make sure we get this going because that butter is almost ready for us. This is gonna be a yummy twist on a side dish. We're gonna add a little southern twist that I think everyone will love. All right, we got those 2 packets in there. Now I'm gonna come in with 1 whole bag of my Tillamook medium cheddar. This is 8 ounces, 1 cup of cheddar cheese. And then we have 1.5 cups of cold water. And that's all you need for this super easy biscuit mix. Now, if you don't like the Cheddar Bay biscuits, you can just use regular Pillsbury biscuits, or you can make homemade biscuits. The options are endless, but these Cheddar Bay biscuits are honestly my favorite, and I don't make them enough, so that's why today I was like, we are making a double batch of my favorite biscuits in the whole world. All right, and we are just mixing this together until it is well combined and we have a nice biscuit batter. All right, this is all mixed together. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab our butter from the oven. We have our 4 sticks of melted butter in our pan. All right, and in our Red Lobster box, it comes with 2 packets to add to your butter. So we're gonna go ahead and open this up. It actually comes with 1 packet, but I had 2 boxes, so we have 2 packets. And we're just gonna go ahead and pour that entire 2 packets into our 4 sticks of butter. So normally you would mix this with butter and put it on your biscuits after they bake, but not this time. We're giving it a little mix to get it well blended in with that butter. It's just kind of like a little garlic butter packet, and who doesn't love garlic with cheddar biscuits? All right, and once that gets nice and well combined, we are gonna come back in with our biscuit batter that we whipped up. I have a ice cream scoop, and before we scoop it, I am gonna spray it with a little bit of Pam just to make sure that those biscuits come out when we scoop them. All right, and we're gonna do a scoop right into our melted butter to make butter swim biscuits. I don't know if you guys have ever had butter swim biscuits, but they are the greatest invention in the world. So buttery, so delicious, so easy to make. All you have to do is put your biscuit batter into your pool of butter. Those 2 boxes that we made. Beautiful. All right. These are gonna go back in the oven at 350 for about 35 minutes. Oh my, these smell absolutely insane. Whew, they're perfectly cooked. They're gonna be perfectly buttered. Oh, I cannot wait any longer. I'm gonna go for this beautiful corner biscuit because it looks like it is the crispiest. I'm gonna have to go in this way. Oh, but look at that. Butter swim biscuits. Oh yeah, perfectly cooked. I cannot wait to dig in. Oh, no need to butter your biscuit because it's already done for you. That is really, really good. Perfect side dish